Shay, getting ready to do our inventory because we're going to be departing here soon, and we want to make sure that we have everything that we need for our road trip.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is this is everything that we plan on taking with us. So we're going to walk through, Iris is going to help me narrate or help me inventory everything that we have here.
Right here we have our windshield wiper covers and our mirror covers.
Right.
We also have our bag for our tire covers.
Right.
We have our
Couple of shop towels.
some shop towels, some gloves, a couple of hoses, our
Surge protector.
surge protectors for a 50 and a 30 amp.
Just in case the campsite where we go doesn't have 50, we can put in a
30 amp.
50 to 30 amp converter.
This is our bridge for our
Sewer hose.
sewage hose. We have Swiffer and brushes to clean the RV with, and the windshield wiper cleaner there. We have a 6-foot ladder here, so we can clean the windshield because
Yeah.
it's kind of high up.
Right. Yeah, you can see right there that we need to clean that windshield
Yeah.
up there, the front.
Clean the windows in the front.
Right.
We have a mat in case we have to get underneath the coach or under the Jeep, so we don't.
Right.
Zero gravity chairs.
Right.
2. We also have 2 bag chairs, our suitcases in case we need to jet anywhere. We also have our outdoor rug.
And it's a 9 by 12 outdoor. I think it's made out of plastic.
Yes, a plastic rug.
It's a plastic rug.
Rain boots.
Fall weather rain boots.
And in this basket here, these go with our zero gravity chairs, little trays. We have an emergency vest, some cleaning
Terry cloths.
terry cloth towels, bungee cords, water filters,
That's a jumper cables in there.
jumper cables, some gloves.
And assorted. We have even fire starter to start some fire.
Yeah,
too.
and we have our lanterns.
Right.
That's in here. So that's taken care of. In this basket, we have our cleaning supplies for the RV. We got some bug spray because some places have a lot of little ants.
Right. Right.
We have some 303, which protects all our
Vinyls.
and rubber parts on the RV. We have that's a 303. We got some Rain-X for the windshield.
We have some car wash.
And a
some
plunger.
Yeah, plunger.
WD-40 and get the buggies off the RV.
Yeah. Off the front. We have
the front of the RV and a tarp.
a tarp just in
In
case
case we
we
need
need.
it for some odd reason or another.
We got a set of tools here,
We
right?
got some tools here.
Right. Let me see what's in here.
Sockets, what you call these?
Yeah. Ratchet set.
Ratchet set.
Okay.
And here we have some more tools
Some open box wrenches.
and
We have a tester.
tester.
We have a hammer. We have a tire gauge and a tire gauge to supply air to our tires. We have some. What is this here? Open that up. Take that out.
Our tire minder.
Yeah.
It's our
It's a tire gauge.
tire gauge.
We needed the one that extends out further so we can get to the dually tires. We have another.
Another one that's a short one. We have our
Air
top
compressor.
belly compressor for our tires.
Yeah. And
And here we have all assortment of tools.
screwdrivers. Right. Flashlight. Yep.
Scissors and
And some other wrenches in here.
and wire cutters and all kinds of little tools that we think
Yeah.
we should carry.
Yep.
Small dehumidifier.
Yep. We need a dehumidifier.
We have our emergency road triangles.
Yep, those are pretty neat because we want to make sure in case we need
We get
an
stopped.
emergency somewhere, we need
Somewhere,
to
yeah.
warn other people that we are on the side road.
And this is our power washer to clean the RV or the Jeep.
Yeah, and that's the hose for
The hose for it.
no, that's the hose for the compressor
Compressor.
to supply air to our tires.
This is our little step here to go into the RV because sometimes when we park, the step's really high, the last one, so this helps to get into the RV.
Absolutely.
And this is our small little grill. It's just the two of us.
Right.
We didn't need anything really big.
Here, let's open this up and see what's in here. I think I put the hoses in there. I just want to make sure. Yep, these are all the
All our
hoses.
hoses, extra long,
gas hoses, right?
gas hoses in case
Yeah.
we have to extend
Right.
go a little distance.
Yep. Yep. There you go.
Okay. We got a 4-foot table here, which will be great because sometimes some of the places don't have tables
Outdoor table. Right.
outside. That's it.
That's it, babe.
That's
I think.
all of it. So now
Yeah.
we just got to pack everything into the RV and the
Right.
basement part of the RV.
Right, and as we walk through this side of the RV, these are all the different compartments. Here's a compartment that we're going to use for,
We can put our suitcases are going in there.
right, our storage and everything.
Yeah. And that's our electrical.
That's our power core,
Right.
our DEF,
EF compartment.
right?
Our
This
wet-
is our wet bay,
This is our see-through basement.
or pass-through,
Pass-through.
right? Goes all the way to the other side. That's where we're going to put our ladder and
A lot
anything
of the
long,
stuff is going in there.
right? Batteries, gas, tank. And we have our front chassis fuse panel there. On the other side,
It's another compartment.
right, here's another compartment that we have. Here's the other side of that see-through, pass-through. Here behind this pegboard we have our black, gray
Water tanks.
water tanks. Here's another storage compartment. And then we have our chassis batteries and engine bay back here.
Yep.
So now that we have that all open up, we're gonna start to get everything back where it's supposed to go. We hope that we have everything. And in case we don't, but I think we covered everything.
I think we've got everything that we need.
Yes.
We have
And
everything that we
yeah.
need.
All right.
And if we run across something that we don't have, we just pick it up on the way.
Right, and I think this should cover our stays away from home for a while and supply. Now this is the only thing that's going to go in the basement. The stuff that goes inside the house that'll come in a week or so. But for now, we're going to load everything up in here. Okay. All right. So we got everything on this side. So Iris can start closing the doors.
Yeah, everything's ready here.
Everything's ready on this side.
This one's ready.
Yep. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, that looks pretty good in there.
This one's ready.
Yep. We got our suitcases whenever we need to go somewhere.
Yeah, we gotta get somewhere. We got suitcases.
Yep.
And on this side, we got this stuff in here.
Nice compartment, right?
And this one, I can never close that one, so you'll have to close that one.
Alright. Yep.
And you get it on the first try. It takes me like 10 times.
Alright.
Here's our wet bag.
Wet bay is set.
Here's the other side of the basement part.
Yep.
Everything's good there.
Everything is good there. And we are done.
We are done with packing the RV.
Yeah. Team Roche.
RV.
RV. See ya.
See you.
Tú sabes que yo vivo revoleando, flotando.